Hello YouTube, and welcome to this edition of Racecar, Fabrication, and Restoration. We are at the Blue Beacon Truck Wash here in Shreveport, Louisiana, and thought we might bring you along and show you how they help us keep our truck clean. And we are heading out to Texas Motor Speedway in a couple of days for the annual Pate Swap Meet, and I like going down the road with a clean truck. It's kind of a pet peeve of mine. So hang with me, and I'll show you how they go about keeping the trucks clean here. We'll be right back with you. This is a brand new Blue Beacon built here in Shreveport. Built it a couple of years ago, and they can do actually 2 trucks at a time. And I tell you what, today they are lined up. Even though they can do 2 at a time, they are really stacked up. And you can see they go all the way around the curve. Got 2 lanes going. But it's a popular place today. There's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trucks. There was 11 in front of me when I got here. So we'll get in here and see if we can get in here in line pretty quick. Try to get this thing cleaned up a little bit. Okay, we are finally next in line, and we're gonna let the saltwater truck get ahead of us. So we're gonna go ahead and ease on up here a little bit. Finally, so hang with me, we'll be right back with you. They're so far behind today, they're actually having to do a pre-rinse, and that way they can get trucks out a little bit quicker. So you'll do the pre-rinse, and then we will pull up in the main spot up here in a second. So we'll be right back with you. All right, we're back in the truck now. We're getting the final rinse, and we're going to head out here in just a second, and we will be able to see how it looks on the outside in the sunshine. So that'll be the final step. All right. Go in here and let this thing drip dry for a second. All right, we'll get on the outside and see what we got. All right, boy, the grill looks a whole lot better, I know that much. It's so hard to keep these wheels clean. I just get the normal exterior wash when I'm here. I don't do anything extravagant. They got the polish and stuff, but it gets so dirty. Every time I seem to run a road, I seem to run through rain. So that's just the way it goes. All right, looks pretty good. We head back down to the shop now. See if we can get this light fixed. Busy, busy, busy here. But that's how you get your truck washed at Blue Beacon Truck Wash. We'll be right back with you. Welcome back. We got back to the house safely and trying to go through the truck in and out, make sure everything's ready to go. And now that she's all cleaned up, I said, well, we'll walk around and kind of show you a little bit about the truck. This is a Cat C15 motor. It is the 6NZ motor. This is the most 6NZ C15 motor. This is probably, my understanding, the most desirable motor for trucks. That motor makes about 475, 2,500 horsepower. They say you can do a real simple computer upgrade and get to 700 horsepower, but this truck runs plenty fast enough the way it is. We've got our satellite hooked up and testing it out. My wife's getting all the grill and everything cleaned up. We've got an outside grill, we've got an outside freezer, refrigerator, so we have to go inside, we'll keep that full of cold drinks. Then of course that's tied, that hose air goes to the LP gas system, which is up here, the gas tank's under there. We'll walk inside and show you. Got speed channel, or I guess a MAB TV, I guess I should say, got it on. But got your typical stuff. You got your microwave and stove and refrigerator. You got your bathroom. See if we can flip a light on here so you can see a little bit. Shower and toilet, and you got the only bedroom, the master bedroom, but see, it's got a queen size bed in it, and that we've got two separate AC units. One for the back and one for the front up here. But the slide outs gives you two couches to sleep on if you have to here. Then this makes into a bed as well. And pretty much that's it. Then you got the business end up here in the front. And that makes it convenient. Go ahead real quick and go check out the trailer. I've still got to fill the water tanks up. I haven't done that yet. Stacker, just a typical stacker trailer. Got your built-in cabinets and fire suit gear compartment cabinet. You got storage area up here. I've got a backup air compressor, but there's a built-in air compressor for the trailer, but you got your tire racks up there, and of course you got your lift, and everything's plumbed, so you got your electrical and your air back here in the back. I do take a backup air compressor. the air compressor for the trailer's built up here in that cabinet. But stereo system, of course, you lift and raise it up, and we should have just enough room to get our side-by-side in there. But anyway, that's just a real quick tour of the truck and trailer. And I've got to go change oil in the car so we can get it ready to load up. So we'll be right back with you. Welcome back, YouTube, and I hope you enjoyed kind of a little closer look at our hauler that we use. I've been very blessed to be able to get this truck a couple years ago, and it's a far cry from where I started out about 30 years ago when I was borrowing a truck and a trailer from my Sunday school teacher so I could make it to the racetrack on Saturday nights. But God's been good to me, and I've done a little horse trading for the last 30 years and was able to move up and finally get our truck we have now. But hey, this is a little bit different week as we get prepared to head out to the Pate Swap Meet. I'll have some additional video from the Pate Swap Meet when we get out there. Again, it's held at the Texas Motor Speedway. It's something my family and I have been doing for really about 30 years now, almost, been going to this swap meet, and it's a lot of fun. And me and my two brothers go out along with our families, and we just camp out for about 3 or 4 days and do a little buying, hopefully a lot more selling than we do buying. But it's just something we really look forward to. But we'll get back on the Nova project when we return. The car is basically ready for primer, but to be honest with you, Buddy, who helps me on the car, has started a new job, and his time is very limited to Saturdays only. And I'm going to be gone this coming Saturday, so we'll get back on it real soon. Plus, we had the issue with the hood. We had to order a new hood. The new hood's not here, so that project's just put on the side just a little bit, but we're real close to having it ready. And we'll get back on that ASAP. But a lot of people around there want to know, hey, what's some other things we do too? So this is kind of a all-around channel to try to kind of show you some of the other gearhead stuff we like to do. So appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate those of you who have subscribed to our channel, and I hope that you will consider subscribing if you haven't done so. But thanks again for watching, and we will talk to you on the next episode of Racecar Fabrication and Restoration. Take care.